Okay, so here are the current highlights for ERTC, in particular the 2020 at this point. As we've noted many times over the past year to 18 months, the government has a backlog of work. The IRS is understaffed. Only about 5 of every 100 calls gets through. That is correct. 5% is how many are getting through. They have had to also issue stimulus checks. That means they move staff away from tax returns and other correspondence to issue stimulus checks. So that slows it down. The IRS has been manually processing personal returns, even if e-filed, to check them, because their systems are outdated for these stimulus checks and economic income payments. They're antiquated systems across the board. They don't all mesh together. So that causes them to run further behind, 2 to 6 months on most returns. The IRS is also getting pressure to do more audits and collect funds. They are underway. ERTC has noted months back, we are dependent upon the IRS to process. So three major items. They do not provide updates. They do not give estimated timeframes for completion, but they will get it done. So again, no updates. They do not give estimates, but they will get it done. Now, if you have issues, and many people should actually, call your local congressman, express your concerns. Otherwise, this process will continue to be like quicksand. And we're not talking just for the next couple months. It will continue for the next year or 2 or 3, given some of the rules and regulations and programs that have been put in place in the last year and a half. These things are going to linger for quite some time. And again, maybe many people complain they don't see an update on their tax return after 3 months. Call your congressman. Get their attention. If they don't get a phone call, they're working in a black hole. They don't know there's a problem unless they hear it. If they hear enough phone calls, it gets on their plate, they'll do things. So anyway, that's the status of ERTC. It is dragging behind big time, unfortunately, as expected. Much more so than expected, though. That's the way it goes. Thanks.